Updating your legal name on Dynatrace is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and accurately. Step 1. Log into your Dynatrace account. Access the Dynatrace platform by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your account information. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is typically found in a user profile menu, often represented by your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Personal Information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your legal name. In the Personal Information section, locate the field for your legal name. Enter your new legal name as you wish it to appear. Double check for any spelling errors to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your name, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your name has been successfully updated. Make sure to check back after a short while to verify that your changes have been applied. Following these steps will help you update your legal name on Dynatrace efficiently.